So, sinong zodiac sign ang pipiliin ko dito? Magiging happy ka ba this February 14? From now, if you're watching this video from now till February 14, this message might meant to find you. Magiging happy ka ba this February 14? Virgo. Maging happy ba si Virgo this February 14? So, magiging happy ba si Virgo this February 14? Tingnan ko muna Virgo ha. Good news ba to or bad news? Virgo, I think you will be happy this February 14, okay? But this is not for every Virgo. But I can see kasi may plano na kayo ng person mo. You have someone. And I think may plano na kayo this month, this February 14. You are in love, you are with someone, you love each other. So, sa point na siguro Virgo, kasi sometimes kasi si Virgo, may pagkaano din to walang tiwala sa sarili. Sometimes, okay, not all the time naman, pero sometimes. So, medyo trap ka in a way na, yung plano ba namin, tutuparin niya ba yun? Yung plano ba namin, mangyayari ba yun? Mga ganun. Totoo ba yung sinasabi niya? Totoo ba yung gagawin niya? Ano kayang surprise niya sa akin? Whatever. So, pero, Virgo, you love this person so much. And, this person naman, Virgo, I think, kung baga sa mga surprise lang din naman. I think, hindi naman to talaga sa kanya kasi this person is a stable one. Might be this person is a matured one, may magandang trabaho in a way. So Virgo, may mag-open up na new beginning sa relationship ninyo. So might be this February 14 baka maglalong magkakaroon ng magla-level up yung pagmamahalan, and lalo siguro magkakaroon ng mga real commitments dito sa February 14 because there is a love, happy, completeness, parang ganon. So I can still see here, Virgo, though hindi talaga kayo hindi kayo excuse sa mga challenges. So magkakaroon kayo ng mga challenges, but this will be in the future pa naman din. So let's see. Virgo, feeling ko yung plano ninyo or plano ng person mo ba or plano ninyo na pinag-uusapan is yung, I don't know, if you're an LDR, magkita kayo at magsama. But if you're not LDR, if nagkikita kayo, yung magkakaroon at mag-move forward na talaga kayo together, like you were going to have to build a family, could also be something like that. So hindi ko pa naman nakikita dito talaga yung sabihin natin na marriage or something, pero parang may plano na talaga kayo magseryoso. And though hindi pa talaga sabihin natin na may mga different options kayo pagdating sa mga plano ninyo pero wala pa talagang total like eto na talaga to 100% na to. So we never know, might be nasa idea nyo pa lang talaga to. Okay, usapan nyo pa lang talaga to. So but I think also one thing na may nagkakaplano din siguro kayo na magkaanak. You wanted siguro na ready na ba tayo, magkaanak na ba tayo or something like that. So ito siguro yung mga plans niyo to build a family. Yon, Virgo. So ano ba yung magiging outcome dito? So Virgo, I can still see that this person might meant for you. I just really don't know. Matagal pa naman mangyayari to, Virgo. medyo may mga cancels, may mga delayed sa mga plans ninyo, might be married or something, engaged or to build a family. May mga mangyayari na mag-uudlot na itong mga plano ninyo, pero you don't have to worry kasi kayo pa din naman. Okay? So, siguro may mga problem kayong pagdadaanan dalawa, but then at the end of the time nakikita ko pa naman dito yung kumbaga mababalik pa din yung harmony ng pagmamahalan ninyo. I think parang you was going to support each other pa din, nandyan pa rin kayo para sa isa't isa. So yun, Virgo, happy si Virgo this February 14.